All right, boys and girls, we're back with another video and another resin model, 1/18 scale, mind you. Now I'm gonna open this ever so slowly, take the plexiglass off, and we got the Zonda Cinque Coupe, number 17 of 20 by Pico. Now this is courtesy of Rob Models Cars. I actually bought this off of him from eBay at a very reasonable price. Very, very nice guy. He is the authority, the definitive authority figure when it comes to anything 1/18 resin or die cast. So make sure to check out his channel, guys. I've been eyeballing this forever. The problem with this model is it doesn't really come up for sale very often. So every time these come up on the secondhand market or eBay especially, you have to snatch it up. So I might make that like a special segment on my channel where I feature people's collections of toys, collectibles, or anything that's cool. We're gonna put this back on the shelf over there in a little bit, but I don't have any special display cases. I actually need to look into that. Anyways, got a couple things. We gotta pick up the XC60 that's being delivered to my house, Volvo, doing some photos for them. A couple of you guys have been wondering what I do for a living. I will get into that just a little bit, and before we do any of that, we gotta check out the Jaguar SVR. I was filming a video recently, and I'll just show you guys. All right, guys, we're making quantum leaps here, ladies and gentlemen. I've actually stepped outside my apartment. There's the OG Leapmobile with the 2008 200,000 mile Prius. Now we got the SVR out in the sunlight. I took it out from the back so you can oh, the sun's kind of gone, but I think someone basically backed up into my car and bounced. And we got a scuff mark right here, and this one right here, I don't know if the camera's really picking it up, but you can see it digs really deep into the paint right there. Now the front mesh grille has been kind of fucked up as well. I think some of the bolt-on snap thingies underneath here have come off, and it's a little loose, and there's some like indentations right here, and of course right here. Let me zoom in on it. You see that part that got chipped off? Luckily it's just all aesthetic damage. By the way, this vent, it goes nowhere. It's just look at that. This part's chipped right here, and we got some pretty deep scarring right here that cuts right through the paint. So basically someone just backed up into it, and the rest is history. This one works, this one doesn't. So there you guys have it. Hit and run on the SVR. I mean, luckily it's just aesthetic damage, nothing too serious, so we gotta be thankful. But man, Los Angeles drivers, what the actual hell, man. I'm gonna put this car back where it belongs, and we got Mr. Sheep just chilling there. Oh, fun fact for you guys, I was filming another video that will be debuting later this week. Hold on a second, it's actually gone. What the heck? The check, I swear to God, guys, the check engine light was on just a moment ago, and it's been on for like the past few hours, and now it's gone. By all means, I will take that as a good omen, because the check engine light is no longer on. So one more time, let's just do this for good measure. Let's test it out a third time. No check engine light. Okay, we're good. We are absolutely 100% good. If it comes back, I will set an appointment and sort it out. So anyways, I think the XC60 has arrived. Let's check it out. Sunny day, we're gonna take a few photos. By the way, if you guys are wondering what my job is, this is part of my job right here, is to take photos for some of these manufacturers, and they can use it for however they want, whichever they want, however they want. It's not really up to me, but I provide the assets, and let's go take some photos. All right, guys, we're in the XC60. We got the T8 R Design X60, the 2018. Now we're currently in the Bay Area. I just want to show you guys this house that just went for sale, or is actually sold in my parents' neighborhood. Check this out. It's $1.23 million. It looks like it's been abandoned. Holy smokes. Hold on. Check this out, guys. This guy just obviously does not give a gee whiz about anything. Definitely a hoarder. Look at this mess. $1.23 million for this property. They're gonna probably tear it down and rebuild an entirely brand new house in this neighborhood. I don't know if it's worth the money though. 1.23 mil for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square feet. Not sure on the entire lot size right here, but this is it, guys. The housing crisis in the Bay Area. This is just in my parents' neighborhood. Man, we thought the Los Angeles housing crisis was bad. This is on a whole new level. Imagine what $1.23 million could buy you outside of California. Anyways, we're gonna hop back in the T8R design. It's a hybrid, plug-in hybrid that I have no idea how to use, but here we go. Golden hour is pretty much over. I have the DSLR out with the polarizer, Canon 5D Mark III, 24 to 70 millimeter lens, Tamron f2.8. I was taking some profile shots of the car standing somewhere in the middle of that field. Sunset is pretty much over. This is kind of what I do, guys. I get these gigs, you know, once or twice a month from different manufacturers. I'm also a full-time YouTuber, so if you guys are wondering what I do, this is it, guys. And we're gonna hop back in. This is the infotainment center for the Volvo XC60. The entire Volvo line has been upgraded to this brand new screen. It kind of reminds me of like a mini Tesla screen. Not sure if it's just as responsive or good as the Tesla screen, but infinitely and light years ahead of the Jag infotainment center. Put this in drive and make a U-turn, and off we go into the sunset, as they say. All right, that's a really bad line, I apologize. Currently having the gas vlog with the XC60, but check this out. Supreme Plus, $4.38. Granted, we are sort of in the middle of nowhere, so I can understand why they are charging these prices, but my God damn it, dude. Kind of gets around 26 miles to the gallon, but $4.38 per gallon for the Supreme Plus. My God. Oh well. The tank on this is actually relatively small. It's around 12, 13 gallon tank, so not too bad, but I have to fill up quite a few times this past weekend. Guys, check out these kitties. My sister just got foster kittens. There's 2 of them in there. Hello. One right here. Now, if you guys want to see my sister start a YouTube channel for these 3 kittens, they're currently foster kittens. They are I think they're a month and 2 weeks old. We've got this Snapchat ghost, their favorite buddy right here. I'm pretty sure the animal channels are a lot bigger than a car channel, so leave a comment below if you think these kittens are cute, and if you want my sister to start the channel. And on that note, that ends today's vlog. See you next time.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Little stars, in the dark blue sky you keep often through my curtains.